Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your developer console in Chrome. So let's get right into it. Click the three dots in the top right corner, scroll down and hover over More Tools. Here, select Developer Tools and the developer console will show up on the right side of the screen. So there are three other ways to access the developer console. The first way is to click Ctrl+Shift+I or Command-Option-I if you're using a Mac, and the developer console will pop up. Another way is to press F12, and the third and final way is to right click on a page and it will show inspect, and this also opens the developer console. And that is how you can easily access your developer console. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks or questions you might have. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.